I'm so sorry. My family. I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Eto, wait.
Mata people, are you ready? Lights, camera, action.
Never nakialam si Noy. Never kong ginamit ng kapatid ko. Hiyang-hiya na ako sa pamilya ko, Ted.
Mas maghihintay ka muna, 3 buwan. Diba, 3 buwan bago ka makapag-boyfriend ulit. Hindi mo alam yon?
When you reach 40 at wala ka pang boyfriend, tapos ako wala pang girlfriend, tayo na.